Multilogin is an all-in-one anti-detect platform for managing multiple accounts. In this demo, we'll show you how to create Pakistan-based profiles using built-in proxies, pre-warmed cookies, and reusable proxy templates. First, open your workspace. Click Create to start setting up a new browser profile. Give your profile a clear and recognizable name. To build trust right away, use pre-made cookies. Simply choose the platform you want to prepare the session for. Next, select the built-in proxy option and choose either a mobile or residential connection. Then select Pakistan as your proxy location. You can even narrow it down to the city level if needed. Run a proxy check to make sure your connection is valid. Keep things organized by adding tags and notes with important details. If required, fine-tune advanced settings like fingerprinting, time zone, and WebRTC. At this point, your profile is ready to launch. To speed things up, you can also use AI quick actions to generate multiple profiles in seconds. Another way to scale is by cloning profiles. Select one and click Clone to reuse its settings. Enter how many clones you need, and they'll be created instantly. You now have several ready-to-use profiles. To streamline recurring workflows, create a reusable proxy template. Click Create and set up a new template with your preferred proxy settings. Adjust the proxy details and save them. Next time, the template will appear in your list. Let's go back to your profiles. Select the profile you just created and click Start. When the browser window opens, verify your IP and location. Then head to your target platform to log in or create accounts while appearing from Pakistan. Thanks for watching. For more guides, visit our website and YouTube channel. Sign up and start managing your accounts using Pakistan proxies today.